In the labyrinth of love, a paradox unfolds, where passion and pain intertwine, a tale untold. For love, a complex tapestry is woven, threads of ecstasy and heartache, closely woven. Love, a riddle unsolved, a puzzle uncharted, an enigma that leaves the soul both haunted and guarded. It dances in the shadows, elusive and beguiling, a flame that burns fiercely, yet leaves hearts yearning. Like a tempestuous storm, love strikes with might, a whirlwind of emotions, a collision of day and night. It binds two souls, entangled in its web, yet tears them apart with a cruel, relentless ebb. Love, a paradoxical blend of joy and sorrow, a tender embrace today, a distant memory tomorrow. It blooms like a rose, vibrant and sweet, yet its thorns pierce deep, leaving scars discreet. For love is a labyrinth, a path of twists and turns, a journey where hearts ignite and bridges burn. It tests our strength, our resilience and grace, and leaves us longing for its elusive embrace. So let us embrace the complexity of love's domain, for within its depths, true beauty shall remain. For in the intricate tapestry of love's design, we